Alright guys, so a few days ago I made a particular video about this particular app here that could pay you about 1000 naira every single day. And I got a lot of questions after this, which I was able to answer most of them in the comment section. And there is a particular question which I will be answering in this video, which is how do I withdraw from this platform? Although in the video I made a few days ago, which I posted, I showed how to withdraw to your Binance, and there are just two withdrawal methods. Either you are withdrawing through Binance or you are withdrawing through PayPal. So if you are like me currently in Nigeria, then it's no longer a news that PayPal has been restricted and you cannot access PayPal, although there are backdoors way people use. But Binance is something you could do. So I'll be showing you how to get your Binance address you can use to withdraw from this ReadOn app, which I shared few days ago. I'll show you how to create a Binance account, verify your account, and get it set up to withdraw money. So without further ado, let's get into this video. One last thing, if you are new to this channel, then you might be wondering how do I really make money from this app, because this video is about how to withdraw money. So I'll link the video in the description. Just go ahead to the description box of this video and find the link to the video on how to register and make money with that app. That said, now let's get into how to withdraw your money into Binance. And see right here I am currently on my Binance account, and let me just click on this to show you my profile. As you can see, I've created this account a long time ago actually, and I am verified. I'm a verified Binance user. But if you have been, unless you are living under the rock, joking apart, so unless you haven't been following, you must have heard that the Nigeria government had issue with Binance, and they instructed Binance to ban Nigeria from using their service. Although it's not completely banned, it's not a complete ban, because I'm not even using a VPN right now. I'm just accessing Binance directly through the app. So some of the services Binance render has actually been banned in Nigeria. It's not like the total ban. It's not that Binance has completely been banned. Yeah, so service like P2P, trading error on their platform, it has been delisted and you cannot do all those things. But Binance still operates. So specifically, like I mentioned, I'm creating this video to show you how to withdraw your money from ReadOn app to Binance. You cannot actually use other crypto exchange because there is a particular partnership between ReadOn Dao app and this Binance. That's why there is an option to withdraw directly to Binance. So let's just go to let me just straight to I'll log out my accounts now to show you step by step how to register on this platform. Let's say I want to register as a user. As you can see here, so first thing first, all you need to do is go to Play Store, search for Binance on Play Store. Binance. When you click on Binance, the first thing this should be the this is the app, so you should be seeing this thing here. Oh, sorry. This is Binance. Actually, I have it installed. It should show something like install for you if you don't have the app. So all you need to do is install the app, and when you are done, come to the open the application. This is what you should be seeing when you open Binance as a new user. So all you need to do is, it's quite simple. Just go straight to this point where you have signed up or login. Since you are a new user, all you need to do is you need to sign up on Binance because you don't have a Binance account. So I'll just click create a Binance account, and then when you click on create a Binance account, input an email or phone number. Okay, so just input your phone number or email, either one you are using. So let me just input my so I'll just input my number 123. Loading, and then we are done. So when I receive the notification code, I will then input the notification code. So it is saying here that please enter the 6 digits verification code sent to my number. The code is valid for 30 minutes. So the code is in already, and I just received the message. So let me just input 30666. 30666. Good. So now I am asked to create password. I'll just go ahead to create my password. Then in this part where you have referral ID, I will drop the referral code in the description box of this video, and you also see it on your screen. use that referral ID because you'll be getting some special welcome bonus when you use that referral ID, and you'll also be getting some discounted fee on your trading account, on your trading, on every trade you'll be carrying out on the platform. So when you input the referral ID, something like this, and then you might decide to agree to receive the marketing updates, and you might decide not to. So I won't click that, and then as you can see here, you get, when you verify your identity, you get 20 USDT in vouchers. This voucher, you can use it to cover your trading fees and other things, which you learn more when you sign up. So I'll just click on verify ID. Enable passkey. This passkey is just a way for you to secure your Binance account, but I'll skip that for now. I'll skip that, and then I am now on the page. So next thing is to verify your Binance account. Next thing is, so you can see that it automatically redirected me. I was not the one that click on anything. Immediately you sign up, you automatically be redirected. So as I can see, the next thing is to verify your account before you could perform trades or do anything. Okay, so let's get you verified. Select your residency and follow this step. It's automatically selected Nigeria for me, and you can complete this step within 7 minutes. So let's click on continue. Mind you, in order for you to completely verify your account, you will need a form of identification, either your government issued identity card, which is the NIN in Nigeria, or maybe international passport, driver license. You see everything. So welcome to Binance. What is your name? I'll just input my name, my middle name, my last name, next, and then your country of region. You may want to choose Nigeria. Of course, I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria currently. Date of birth. Alright, I'll just click on continue. Your residential address. So set your building name or street. I won't continue, and then let's see the next steps. We are almost done. With the verification. Documents verification. This is the main part of the verification process. So document type. Now, before, there is actually no option of BVN, but now it's been a while though. They've actually added this BVN verification, and this one is very fast. So with BVN, you can actually verify your Binance account. Is that you use BVN or you use your NIN card. No, can I say NIN slip is not accepted? So I believe most likely you should, if you know you have NIN or the real one, the plastic one, you should have your BVN. So just use your BVN, or if you don't have that, if you have a passport, international passport actually, or a driver license, you can use that. So I'll just go with BVN because it's even quicker. This is the quickest option. So enter your BVN. I'll just go ahead to copy my BVN and enter that. So now the next thing is they will want to take your picture. Like, that's the live check. So everything here is very, very important to verify your account. You need to, it is just the KYC process, and almost like all cryptocurrency platforms do that. You need to verify your documents, maybe any means of identification, and then your face. They want to be sure you are a real person and not a robot. So as you can see, you are almost there. Center your face in the frame and make sure it is completed by yourself. So just click on continue, and I will do that, just that, while using allow the phone to access your camera, and then you can complete the face verification. So let me just click on continue, and I will verify my face. Immediately after your face verification, we are done. As you can see now, verification complete. It is that simple. Use your BVN for a faster process, and then verify your face. So verification complete, just click on close, and then you are there. So it will take some time for them to review your accounts. As you can see, estimated review time is 2 hours. It might not take up to that, and it might be more than that. So I hope, if perhaps there is anything, most likely the verification will be successful if you use BVN, and you won't have any issue. But if you use national ID, you might get failed verification, and this is due to some reason, like maybe it is not well captured, or maybe the photo is not showing clearly, or the details on the card is not showing clearly. So just try and submit it again, and it will definitely be accepted. So that is all for this. Let me just then click to go to home page, and you see that your account is under review. Your account is under review already, and wait for them to reach out to you via mail or via message. Yeah, so go to home page. Can you see it is still showing unverified, and it will later be verified. Alright guys, do you remember the accounts we just created? Not this time now is 2:23, not even up to 30 minutes after I submitted all the details, and my account is now verified. As you can see here, verified. Remember the number I used while signing up? This is the number and it is now verified. So this thing works and it is pretty straightforward. So now that your account is verified, all you need to do is for you to withdraw money from ReadOn app. For you to withdraw your money from ReadOn app, this app here, you are asked to enter your Binance account. Which particular details are you to copy? Which particular wallet address? It is simple. Just come straight here to deposit, click on deposit, and then when you click on deposit, ensure that your account has been verified before you do this after creating your Binance account. So you need to select deposit crypto. What you want to deposit is crypto. Select that and then select USDT. What you want to deposit, you're actually earning in dollars on that platform, so what you want to deposit is USDT. Then select this thing is very important, please. This thing is very important. Choose network. If you choose just random network, your money will be gone forever and it will not be choosable, and you can't, that is one thing about crypto. So the platform operates with BNB Smart Chain Network, BEP20 Smart Network. So ensure you select this network address, BEP20. Don't select any other one. There are tons of other network, but select BEP20 and then Binance will generate an address for you. So this is your BEP20 wallet address for USDT. So all you need to do is copy this wallet address, click on this point, this thing here that is like duplicate, click on it and it will copy it minimum to the once you click on it, can you see wallet address copy, then come over to ReadOn Dao App and then just paste it. Don't try to write it one after the other. Copy from the platform from Binance and paste it to avoid any mistake, and then click on confirm. Automatically it will bind your account. It will bind your account. So I'm not withdrawing that. Can you see it will automatically bind your account to your Binance account, and then you can just go ahead to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw this, just click on it and immediately you get your money. It won't even take up to 10 minutes or so before you receive your money in your Binance wallet, and you will see the money here in your when you come to access your wallet, you'll be able to see the money. You will receive it here and you will see the balance reflecting here. So that's right. Now that our money is in Binance accounts, how do we then get it into our Naira bank account? Well, if I was making this video, let's say about 3 months ago, or let's say earlier this year, or maybe around last year, then I would have just used the Binance P2P platform to exchange this money to Naira. But then something really happened in the crypto space in Nigeria. Nigeria federal government banned Binance from rendering USDT Naira, that is buying USDT or selling USDT in exchange of Naira USDT exchange. So there is no way you could exchange your Naira, your USDT to cash to Naira directly from Binance app. But don't worry, there is an alternative method. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll link a video in the description as well, where I'll show you how to get your money out of Binance and withdraw it into Naira. Binance P2P is down in Nigeria. You can't access P2P in Nigeria. So, and even if you are using VPN, it is another risk. So don't worry, I'll share a video using another platform how you can get your money into Naira. Check the link in the description box or find it around this video.